Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the Congo Startime customer care number. If you are experiencing some difficulties on your decoder, or you are about to activate a new Startime decoder and you want to actually get the Startime customer care representatives for them to help you out, all you have to do is to pick up your remote. The number will be on your screen, will be highlighted on your screen, but for you to check the current number, it's going to be changed from time to time. So all you have to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the M button, which is the menu button on your remote, and on the menu page here, use the arrow left key and then shift it to the other side of the page, and here use the arrow top and down key and then look through the list, put it on self-service. So self-service, and then you press OK on it. And on this page, you come down to the last option, which is contact us, and then you press OK on it. So as you can see, we have some listed country numbers over here, and we have their flag attached to it. So you search through the list, and then we have the Congo number, which will be highlighted on your screen. We'll start with it 0664 74040, and you are good to go. So you have to make sure that you have an active or enough airtime before calling them for help. They're going to deduct at a normal calling rate, so you have to be aware of it. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.